it's your girl Pink K here again, and let's eat some food. So what I have here today is, can y'all see it good? Can y'all see them shrimp? I made some more shrimp. I had some more shrimp from the other day, and I got some Krispy Krunchy chicken wings. See that? So good. I got 9 chicken wings, y'all. I had 10. I wonder what happened to the other one. Yeah, I ate it. That's what happened to the other one. And look at the shrimp. Let me turn that around for you. Don't that look so good? I made this, y'all. I made this myself. Okay. So, let me do what I gotta do. Dear God, thank you for this food in your name. Amen. Okay, y'all. I'm back. So let's eat, okay? Let's do this. Which one should I eat first, the shrimp or the chicken? I left the shell on the shrimp because it gives it so much flavor. Yes, y'all, yes. And the sauce I got, some Krispy Krunchy barbecue sauce. And I told y'all, like, this honey mustard, it's so delicious. It's the best honey mustard I ever had. Can y'all see that? I don't know. Wait. Whoops. Okay, y'all, so what y'all been up to? Okay, so what I've been up to today is I've been kind of busy. I got to go to work tonight at 10 o'clock. So I wanted to get a video in before I went to work, okay? So let's do this. Wait. And if you cook the shrimp with the shell on, you have to suck it. Oh, and guess what I got? My bad, y'all. I got some more Be Lovely Smackalicious spicy sauce. Look at that. Look at all that butter. Let me see. Y'all can see that. Let me go closer. Look at all that, y'all. Look at those. Let me try to get some onions for y'all. See that? Yes. And I know I made this sauce good because last time I made it good and it was so freaking delicious. It's spicy, but it's good. Okay, y'all, let's see. Don't worry about it. We got some more where that came from. Look at that drip. So good. Y'all, this sauce is so freaking good. If you haven't got no Be Lovely Smackalicious sauce yet, you got to get some. And before, we was just eating a mild. I ordered like 3 bags and I ordered 2 mild. This is like a while back. I ordered 2 mild and I ordered 1 spicy. Girl, when I say we use all the mild, I just been sitting on this spicy for like a few months and finally made it. I should have been made it. So good. Because I normally don't do that much spicy. And my kids, they eat whatever. Y'all, this is good. Okay. Oh, did y'all see that? I think that got all up in my face. Matter of fact, I'm gonna have to get some paper towel to wipe that off. But I'm so much in a moment about to dip this shrimp, and I can't think about nothing else. Look. Let's get some onions and stuff up on there, y'all. Oh, you know what? I didn't even get no lemon, but that's okay. It's still gonna be bomb. Y'all. This is too good. Y'all need to get on Amazon and order y'all some Be Lovely Smackalicious sauce. And make it, if you made it, use all the butter. Matter of fact, I want my onion back. Yeah. So, woo! And I forgot my water jug is upstairs in my room. Okay, look at that. I can't wait to tear that up. Just eating the onions off is the bomb. Okay. Let's not do too much sucking on the show. Let's get to the nitty gritty after I do this one more again. Y'all, this is so good. And it's so spicy. I'm sorry I ain't got much conversation right now. But after I get done with the shrimp, guess what I'm about to do? Dip them chicken wings in this Be Lovely Smackalicious spicy sauce. I got stuff on my face. That's how you know it's good. Oh yeah. Hot, temperature wise, and spicy. And I got nerve to have me some crystal hot sauce. Sitting up here. Y'all look at this chicken wing. Look what I'm about to do. This is my favorite part. This part. But however, I'm gonna dip this part. Yes, yes. Whoops. Ooh, y'all. That's messy, but it's gonna be good. That is so good. What is that? Yeah, that's perfect. If I don't put a bite in the inside of my lip, I ain't gonna handle that. Oh my goodness. Woo! Be love, girl. This sauce is good. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of picky, but this is delicious. I hope y'all can hear me talking because I'm probably just talking low because the food is so good. And I'm just in the zone. Oh, yes. I'm going to open up the honey mustard in a minute. cute about this. Ain't nothing cute about this besides me. Okay? And this is so hot that it got my nose running. Y'all hear me keep sniffling? Oh, yeah. I needed that because my tongue is burning. Let's dip this wing up in this sauce. This is honey mustard from Krispy Krunchy chicken. And I know I said this already, but if I didn't, I'm eating Krispy Krunchy chicken. And I got 10 chicken wings. But when I started this video, I only had 9 because I couldn't wait. I had to eat one. At least one. And I'm telling you, that bite. Hold on. There you go. I'm trying to get the glares. I don't know how you can see it, but let it drip. Now, I ain't gonna eat nobody Christmas. Whoever did this recipe, whoever made up this recipe, it's good. If y'all haven't had no crispy, crunchy chicken, where's that piece I was eating? I made that eating. Y'all need to go out and get y'all some. Okay? This chicken is good. Matter of fact, I like how it looks. Excuse me, y'all. Oh, yeah. Yeah, my nose is still running from that sauce. So, last night at work, I was getting off at 7 o'clock in the morning. All I kept thinking about was some crispy crunchy chicken and dipping it in some B-Love spicy mild sauce, y'all. Look at that. You know I made it right. Look at all that butter sitting at the top. Oh, yeah. B, you know I made your sauce right, girl. Now, let's turn up. Ooh, Lord, I'm about to go back in for this sauce. Yes, honey. Ooh, look at that. Will somebody look at that, though? Ooh, wee. Delicious. Woo! Your girl about to go in on this bite. It's about to be hot. You know, this is so good. So good. I had to slow down because I don't want to be choking because I left my water upstairs. I don't feel like going to get that. Yeah. Y'all, forgive me. I'm not talking about today. I'm just hungry. I am hungry. Oh, yeah. I don't want that part. Whew, do I want a chicken or do I want a shrimp, y'all? Do I want some chicken? Or do I want a shrimp? Chicken and shrimp. Chicken and shrimp. Which one do I want? I'm gonna go with the shrimp for now. I'll do a little baby dip when it's so hot. Oh my goodness. That sauce is hot. When this getting to you, girl, making my eyes water. So I'm gonna back for a minute. Cause like I said, upstairs, all the way upstairs. And I'm downstairs in the kitchen. Be lovely. Girl, look at these tears, honey. Okay, them is tears of joy. Woo. Tears of joy. I got so much food left to eat. And y'all already know I'm not gonna eat it all. But however, I'm gonna tear up me a few more pieces of chicken. I don't know if I'm dipping them back in there because I ain't got no water to offset the heat. Okay? But, whoo. Oh, shoot. Looking like a raccoon, okay? I'm not trying to be doing any of that. So, I'm about to eat some more chicken, y'all. Okay? After I eat the shrimp. Oh my gosh, I want to dip the shrimp in a Be Lovely sauce so bad, but I just recovered. Y'all see me, your girl just recovered. Oh, excuse me. Oh, what should I dip this in? This is not about to go on no honey mustard. Look how beautiful that is. And I don't believe eating no shrimp and mustard. I guess I gotta open up that barbecue sauce. Krispy Krunchy. Oh, this glare. Oh, Lord. This glare. Something else. Yes, there you go. Y'all seen it. Now let's see if my greasy fingers can open it. I opened it. And let's get our dip on. Let's see how that's gonna taste. Okay. But guess what? I like this better. That's good, but this is better. Hard-headed. Knowing it's hot. But guess what? I always been hard-headed. So yes, let's get up in here with the shrimp. Look at that. Look how pretty. Look how beautiful that looks. Look at all that stuff on there. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Whew. Lord, I could not eat all that because I just recovered. This shrimp is so good with this Be Lovely Smackalicious spicy sauce. Oh, and when I'm done with this, I don't got no more. So, I gotta go on Amazon and buy some now. Not hope. I pray. I pray to God it ain't sold out. Because I remember a few times when I tried to get this sauce, it was sold out. So then, when I was able to get on the Amazon and order the sauce, I ordered 3. Yeah. Y'all, this shrimp is a bomb. And my nose is back running. Matter of fact, my nose never stopped running. I'm just making it run more because I'm not stopping. But you want to know when you don't stop, that means it's good. It's something about it. You're like, oh my gosh, this is so spicy. But I just can't stop. And I took the whole tail off. Now, y'all, I can eat the whole shrimp. Let's dance. Let's get married. Ooh, yes, honey. Oh, yeah. Let's get some onions up on that. Now look at it. That's gonna mess up my shirt if I don't get it in time. Let me see, y'all. Whew, hot. This is still temperature hot too. See that onion and shrimp and onion. Y'all. Woo! I think I'm gonna eat all this shrimp. I really wish I didn't leave my water upstairs. I really need some water. I mean, I got water in the refrigerator, but it's not my core water. I'm drinking on core water with ice in my little pink container thing. That's my favorite kind of water. It used to be smart water, but then when I tasted core water, I was like, buy smart water. My favorite water is core water now. Whoo! Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that, y'all. Whew. Okay. It's been 25 minutes and I'm still eating. But guess what? I've always been a slow eater. Always been a slow eater. Even when I was in school, it's like they would say, the last person at the cafeteria, or the last people at the cafeteria, gotta pick up all the trash and clean it up. I was always that person to find to sneak out the other door because I don't eat fast. That's what I don't do. But most of the time I talk fast. Yeah. I don't eat fast, but I talk fast. So y'all, on that note, oh my goodness, my nose running crazy. I gotta go to the bathroom and blow my nose because I'm not about to blow my nose on this camera. But y'all, until next time. Oh, let me say something too. So, remember how I be saying, my pink cakeys? Well, I don't know if I'm liking that. I'm gonna think of something different. I'm thinking of, matter of fact, I'm not gonna tell y'all what I'm thinking of. So when I come up with it, I'm just gonna tell y'all. But until next time, peace out. Please join the girl again. Pink Cake 3600. Please like, share, subscribe, and tell your friends about me. Ooh, y'all, I promise you that was not supposed to come out right there. That was like the wrong part. The wrong timing. But anyways, Pink Cake 3600. Like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you guys. Sorry, I'm tired. Peace out. Until next time.